This could be. Okay. Yeah,
Sir, I'm going AFK just for a second, okay?
yeah. Not a problem, beta. Okay. Very good evening to all of you students. We have started with atomic structure and we have done what all thing that I'm going to tell you quickly. Okay. So we have done about introduction of atom. Okay. Then we have studied Dalton's atomic theory. Then we have studied about the structure of atom and all these subatomic particles, protons, electrons, neutron. Then beta, who discovered electron? J.J. Thomson. Who discovered proton? Goldstein. Okay, then who discovered neutron? James Chadwick. Okay. Then beta, we did structure of an atom. Then what is the charge on proton, electron, and neutron, and the mass. Then we studied about electronic atomic number Z, proton, electron, mass number. Then we did how to find neutron number, right? Then we did beta what is the electronic configuration and how much electron can be accommodated in a particular orbit, right? Then we studied about isotopes. Last class we did isotope, na beta, right? Protium, deuterium, tritium, atoms of the same element. I made you write also, having same atomic number but different mass number. Then we did electronic configuration of first 20 elements. Then I gave you trick how to remember mass number. Remember, if it is even number, then what we have to do? 2 into atomic number plus 1. If it is odd number, then we have to do 2n. But there were four exceptional cases: hydrogen, beryllium, nitrogen, and argon. Clear, right? Then we have done this like first 20 elements, beta 2 are metalloids, boron and silicon. Okay, who all are noble gases? Helium, neon, iron, argon, and krypton. Helium, neon, argon. Sorry, in first 20 element. Then we did beta ions. Remember, beta metal loses electron and it forms what? Cation. So what are cation? Positively charged ions. Magnesium valency is 2. So it will lose one electron. The magnesium will lose 2. Aluminum will lose 3. Right? Then the one who accepts electron. Chlorine will accept electron to attain the electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas. So it was 287. It will gain one electron or not? Tell me. It will become chloride ion. Oxygen will gain how much? 2. Nitrogen atomic number is 7. So 2 comma 5. So how many electrons it will gain? 3. And it will become what? N3 minus nitride ion. Nearest noble gas is who? Neon. It has become like neon, na 2 comma 8. Look na beta. If I gain 3 electron, it will add here. So it will become 2 comma 8. Right? So this is what we have done. So what is the valency? It is the number of electron gained or lost. Now, what is stable electronic configuration? If any element attains the electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas, we call it as stable electronic configuration. We call it as stable electronic configuration, like helium or octet. Clear? So all these are stable, 2, 2, 8, 2, 8, 8. Now, beta, today we have to do new part, that is formation of compounds. Formation of compounds. So first we are going to study about, now before going to do formation of compounds, what we should know. Every element will try to attain electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. Then we have then we have sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, and argon. And these are the atomic number. Here it is 1, here it is 2, this is 10, so it is 2 comma 8. There is 18, so it is 288, right? This is 11, so 281. Chlorine, it is 17, so 287, right? Oxygen, it is 8, so 2 comma 6. Magnesium, it is 12, so 288. 282. Now, beta, in our life, we have role models. So here also they have role models. Who are the role models? This. Like in our life, we have role models. We want to become like any famous personality, right? Sports star or film star or politician or scientist. Similarly, all these elements for periodic table, all these elements, who are the role model? These noble gases. Everybody wants to become like them. Now tell me, beta, if I have sodium, who is the nearest noble gas to sodium? Is it argon or neon? Tell me. Are, who is closer? This is 11, na? So who is closer? Neon. So it wants to become like neon. And in order to become like neon, what it will have to do? It will have to lose this electron or not? Tell me this.
Yeah.
Okay. Now who is the nearest noble gas to chlorine? Is it argon or neon?
Argon.
So it wants to become like argon. So in order to become like argon, it will have to gain one electron or not? Tell me.
Uh,
This fellow wants to lose this electron or not? Okay. So, acha, the one who has three or less than three electron in its outermost orbit, these are known as metal. This is known as non-metal. So, in life, what will happen whenever sodium and chlorine, they will come in front of each other? What they will do? Sodium, what sodium will do, beta? Tell me. It will lose electron, right? Okay, so we are going to do bond formation. Dun, dun, dun. Look, this is my sodium. Can you see sodium? 281. Can you all see this? Hello. So, it want to lose this electron or not? Tell me, beta, this. Chlorine is how much, beta? 287. Can you see this? So, there are seven. It requires one. So, this one electron will go here. Let us see, beta. Right, beta? It wants to be, it is 281. So, it wants to become like what? 2,8. It is 287. It wants to become like 288. So one electron from here, it will go here. So it will become 288. And if it loses this electron, it will become 2,8 or not. Tell me. Right? So look here how electron is going. Can you see? Look, it will dance and go. Look, look, it is going. Can you see? Oh my God. Hey, once it will go here, hey, this fellow has lost electron, so it will develop which charge? If electron will go, then which charge I will develop? Positive. This orbit will also disappear, na beta? Can you see? It will become which charge? Positive. And this fellow has gained electron, so it will acquire which charge?
Negative.
Negative. Oh. Hey, now a positive and negative is there, beta. Therefore, there will be electrostatic force of attraction. And this bond is known as electrovalent bond. Or which bond? Ionic bond. It is always formed between metal and non-metal. So what is your, and this compound NaCl is formed or not? Tell me. So look, beta, the bond which is formed due to transfer of electron. Can you see this was sodium? This is your chlorine. Sodium is 281, chlorine is 287. This will transfer one electron here. Can you see here this diagram? Here, this is this electron. This electron is getting transferred here. So look here, beta, it has transferred this electron. Can you see? Hey, here there were three ring, one, two, three, but this electron has disappeared. So now only two ring. Here it is only 2,8. It has developed with charge, positive charge. This fellow has gained one electron, so it has developed negative charge. And this positive and negative will attract each other. So you get what? Electrovalent bond. Which bond? Electrovalency. So electrovalence is nothing but it is number of electron transferred. Okay? Number of electron lost or gain in which shell? Outermost shell. So who loses electron? Sodium will lose. Chlorine is gaining. Clear. And this is known as ionic bond or electrovalent bond. Ionic bond or electrovalent. Am I audible to all of you? Hello.
Yes.
You all
Yes.
have put off your camera. I don't understand. Why you all put off your camera, man? Camera should be on, na, man. Huh?
So why didn't you keep offline classes?
Arey beta, I told you na today I was busy
The
for very
told na.
important admission process I have gone for. So I left from
Okay.
there at 4:30. Okay. Otherwise,
Okay.
I always keep offline class. Okay. Or if I'm not well, then only I keep offline online class. Now, if I am giving you calcium and oxygen, what will happen? You only tell me, beta, if I give you So look, beta, I have taught you sodium and chlorine. So this is which compound? Ionic compound. Right now, beta? Look. Then we are going to do covalent also. Beta. I'm going to teach you one by one. Look, beta, metal and non-metal. Who are metal, beta? Anyone which has 3 or less than 3 electron in their outermost orbit. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium. Non-metal are one, chlorine, oxygen, and these. So they will gain 1 electron. So now let us do. Everybody wants to become like noble gas. Right? So every element want to attain the electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas. So there will be what? Electron transfer. So we are doing or sharing. So we are doing first transfer of electron. Then look here. Hey, where it is, where it is, where it is, where it is. Here it is. Look, this is sodium chloride. हम लोग नमक खाते हैं कि नहीं? Sodium chloride. देश का नमक, टाटा नमक. So how it is formed? Let us write. Atomics. Can you see sodium? What is the electronic configuration? Come on, Shania. What it is? 281 or not? Tell me. Sodium atomic number is 11 or not? Tell me. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Then chlorine atomic number is 17. Kabir Saxena, right?
Yes, sir.
So what it will do, beta? This electron, it will give it to this fellow or not? Right?
Yes.
So look how it is giving. Look. Sodium S281, it is unstable. It wants to attain electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas. Who is nearest noble gas to sodium? Neon. Right? So it will lose. Chlorine is 287. Who is nearest noble gas to chlorine?
Argon.
So it will gain. It will try to become 288. Every element will try to attain octet. So to attain stability, it needs 1 electron. So now look, beta, what is happening? Hey, look at this. Electron is going. Look. Oh my God. Hey, if electron will lose from here, this will develop with charge positive, and the one which is gaining, it will form negative. Positively charged ion are known as what? Cation. Negatively charged is known as anion. And this bond which is formed due to transfer of electron from metal to non-metal is known as electrovalent bond or ionic bond. Can you see sodium has developed positive charge and there will be force of attraction? Is this clear? Right? Now suppose if I give you calcium oxide, then what will happen? Tell me, chalo, I'm giving you extra one. You only tell me. Hey, calcium oxide. Calcium atomic number is what? Come on. Hello. Arey, Rushan beta, Rhythm, Myra, Maisha.
20.
Calcium is 20. Oxygen is how much? 8. So this is
8.
2882. So what it will do? It will lose 2 electron or not? Tell me, beta. Oxygen is 2,6. To become octet, it requires 2 or not? So this fellow will gain from this 2. So let us see, beta. Can you see 2882? So these 2 electron, beta, they will get transferred. Let us see. Look. A calcium is 288, unstable. It want to lose 2 electron to become nearest noble gas like argon. Clear? Here oxygen needs 2 electron. So look here. Can you see these 2 electron are getting transferred? Hey, if it loses 1 electron, it develops 1 positive charge. This fellow loses 2, so 2 positive charge. This will develop 2 negative. Positive, negative will get cancel and you get what? Calcium oxide. Can you see this? Hello, right? So we have done this electrovalency. Now we are going to do covalency. Covalency means what, beta? Sharing is caring. Sharing of electron. We are going to do what? Sharing of electron. How they will share? I'll show you. Now suppose, beta, if I take magnesium and chlorine, what will happen? Tell me. A magnesium and chlorine, if I want to do them, beta, how many? One magnesium can lose. Magnesium is 288 or not? Tell me.
सर आप लैग हो गए थे, आवाज नहीं आ रही थी आपकी.
अरे बाप रे, ऐसा है क्या? अभी आ रही है आवाज? हेलो.
Sir, you froze.
sir.
हाँ सर अभी आ रही है.
हाँ, अब आ रही है.
Magnesium is 12, so it is 282. Chlorine is 287. This is 287. So this magnesium, what it will do, beta? It want to lose 2. But this chlorine wants 1. So 1 electron will go here and 1 electron will go here. So let us see what will happen. Tell me. Look. Can you see? Two electrons are going. Can you all see this? Hello? Say yes or
Yes.
no.
Yes.
So look, beta, this magnesium has lost two electron. Can you see this? So it will acquire two positive charge. This chlorine has gained one electron. So it has acquired one negative. This also has gained one, so one negative. So what I'll get? MgCl2. What I'll get, beta? MgCl2. Clear? Right? Now we are going to do sharing is caring. Covalent. Covalent mein what happens, beta? Sharing. Okay, so I'll show you how sharing will happen. Chalo, first hydrogen. Hey, who is the nearest noble gas to hydrogen? Come on.
Helium.
Helium. So it requires two electron. Now let us see, beta. This hydrogen, one atomic number is how much, beta? 1. Can you see this? This is also 1. Both are non-metal. What they will do? This fellow will need 1. This fellow also need 1. So they will come close to each other and they will share. Look here. They will share. What happened? Who wants to go for potty? Who is writing that? Chalo, they will come share. Look here.
Radha wants to go.
Okay. So later on, beta, look,
Hey,
look,
what?
look, how they are going sharing. Oh my God, look, they have shared. Yeah, how many electrons they have shared? One pair. Can you see this duplet is complete? This fellow's duplet is complete. So the bond which is formed due to sharing of electrons, sharing. So sharing is known as covalent bond. Which bond? If they share one pair, so I'll write what? Single covalent. What I'll write, beta?
Single covalent.
Single covalent. One pair means single line I have to draw. Single covalent. Is this clear? Now I'll go to the next one. Oxygen. Acha, chlorine I'll take. Chlorine also, beta, let us see. Hey, this chlorine is how much, beta? 287. This is also 287, but it wants to become 8. So what will happen? This fellow is having 7. Can you see? This is also having 7. Both are non-metal. They will come close to each other. Let them come. Look, they will come close to each other. Look, look how they are coming. Oh my God, look, now the octet of this fellow is done or not? Tell me, this chlorine, 8 electrons are there or not? Count. What about other chlorine? Come on, look here. Oh my God. Hey, how many electron is being shared? Only one pair, na? Maisha beta, how many pair? Only one pair. Can you see this? So I'll write what? Single covalent bond. What I'll write, dear? Maisha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Single covalent bond. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to go for oxygen. Oxygen atomic number is what, beta? 8. So how many electron it has in the outermost shell? Meher, beta, how many it is having? Tell me 6, na? 1, 2,
6.
3, 4, 5, 6. But every element should have 8, na? So this fellow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they will come close to each other. And once they will come close to each other, what they will form? Look. They will share. Look, how they will share. Look here. Oh my God. Now look here, beta. What has happened here? This fellow's octet is complete or not? Tell me, the blue one. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What about the other one? The red one. 8 electrons are there or not? Tell me. So how many? If one pair them when they share, we write single covalent. Here, how many share they are sharing? 1 and 2, na beta? So double covalent bond. What will say? Double covalent bond. Double covalent. Is this clear? This is what they have shown here, beta. Look,
Yes.
oxygen. In your notes, can you see here oxygen? How many pairs they are sharing? 2. So double covalent bond. Double covalent. Last one. Nitrogen. Come on, Shaurya beta. For nitrogen, what it will be there? Atomic number is 7. So what is the electronic configuration? Can you see? Nitrogen atomic number is 7. So 2, 5. So how many electrons are there at the outermost shell? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This fellow also nitrogen 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what they will do, beta, they will come close and they will share. Look how they are coming close. Let us see. Look. Oh my God. Now I want you to see this left-hand side. Its 8 electron are complete. And on the right-hand side, its 8 electron are complete or not? Tell me. Right? Yeah, how many pair they are sharing? 3 pair, na? So for 1 pair we write 1. So 2 pair 2 and 3 3. So how many bonds are there? Beta 3. So what I'll call triple covalent bond. What I'll call? Nitrogen will be what? Triple covalent bond. Triple covalent bond. Is this clear? So, beta, what we studied, metals form metal and non-metal, then it will be electrovalent bond. But when we have two non-metals, they will form which bond? Covalent. So, what is covalency? It is the number of electrons shared. What is electrovalent bond? It is the number of electron lost or gained. This fellow is losing. This fellow is gaining or not? Is this clear? Hello? Tell me. Then what was remaining, beta? Last part, what is remaining, beta? Relative atomic mass. Can you see atomic mass? Hello. Relative atomic mass and relative molecular mass. Okay? Chalo, beta. So, how to find atomic mass, beta? It is the number of times one atom of an element is heavier than 1/12 the mass of atom of carbon. And molecule may what, instead of this word atom, what you'll write word? You'll write one molecule. It is the number of times one molecule of a substance is heavier than 1/12 the mass of atom of carbon. Clear? Now, beta, I have given you worksheet. Do you all know, beta, which I gave you two worksheet? This one and this one. Have you all done, beta? Come on.
Sir, I'm done.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
chalo beta, now quickly tell me the answer. The Greek word atomic, atom means what? Meaning what?
Indivisible.
Atom means what?
Atoms.
Indivisible. Initial contribution towards the theory went to Indian and Greek philosopher and later to
John Dalton.
John
matter
Dalton.
consists of small particles called atoms are
Atoms.
indivisible
Indivisible.
and cannot be created nor destroyed. Atoms of elements are alike. Atoms of same element are alike, but from different element are different. Compounds are formed when atoms combine with other atoms in the simple whole number. So compounds are molecules. Then contradiction. Atoms are bolo. As per the modern atom, they are destructible.
Destructible.
Atoms are divisible.
Visible.
Atoms consist of subatomic particles generally called
Electrons, protons, and neutrons.
electrons. What? Electrons. Electrons, protons, and neutrons. Clear? Atoms of the same element may not be alike as seen in the case of
Isotopes.
isotopes. Then, beta, what we have to do? Blah, 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 then. Okay, chalo. William Crookes. What did William Crookes did experiment? Electrons.
Electron.
Cathode rays were emitted from the
Negative plate.
J.J. Thomson studied the cathode ray and saw that they were deflected. It must contain oppositely charged particle, leading to the discovery of
Protons.
Goldstein. Which ray Goldstein did? Anode rays. Above rays consist of particles now called positive are protons.
Protons.
Lord Rutherford studied the atomic lead to the discovery of what? James Chadwick, what he discovered? Neutrons.
Neurons.
चलो, imaginary path in which the electron revolves.
Orbit.
Orbits.
Orbit or shell. Central positive region is called as
Nucleus.
Nucleus.
Yes.
subatomic particle proton with a
Positive charge.
Positive charge.
and unit mass.
Neutral.
Hey, mass, unit mass, na?
सर मैं नेक्स्ट वाले का आ गया
Neutron is neutral. And how much is mass, beta? Unit. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Subatomic particle electron has which charge?
सर नेगेटिव
And mass is negligible.
Negligible.
Are you getting it? Atomic number is equal to what? Tell me, beta. Atomic number is equal to which number? Atomic number is what?
Number of
Protons.
Proton. Atoms are electrically neutral. Hence, number of proton is equal to number of neutrons, or number of electron is equal to number of protons.
electrons is equal to number of
Electrons and protons are equal. Atomic number is Z. How it is represented? Z is
Z
equal
is
to
equal to P
P
is equal to
E. Mass number of an atom is equal to what?
P
Number
plus N.
of
P plus N.
P plus N. Mass number is represented as
P plus N.
an atom has mass number this, and electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is this. So mass is 23. Electronic configuration means 11 total electron. So what will be? It has how many neutrons then, beta? This is your A. This is your Z. So N is what, beta? A minus Z or not? So what I'll get, beta? 23 minus 11. 12 what? Neutrons. Okay? An atom Y. 10 electrons, 10 neutron. Its mass number will be, when I say 10 electrons means proton will be also 10, right? Neutron is also 10. So mass number is what? Mass number is what, beta? Number of protons and neutrons. So 10 plus 10, it will be how much? 20. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Mass of an atom is indirect. It is found to be very small, and hence they are taken in comparison with the particles such as, Bolo, with whom we compare mass first? We compare with hydrogen, and then we compare with whom? Carbon.
Carbon.
Yes. Relative atomic mass is equal to number of times one atom is heavier than the mass of hydrogen. Earlier we took hydrogen, and then beta, if I write 1/12 the mass of carbon. Beta, 1/12 the mass of carbon is what, beta? Carbon is also 12 only. So it becomes finally how much, beta? 1 only, na beta? Hydrogen is also 1. Chalo, beta. A, what is the formula? Maximum number of electron in each shell is given by which formula? 2n square. So K shell, how many electron will be there? 2. 2 into
Oh,
2
yeah.
सर
square.
आप वापस फ्रीज हो गए
क्या?
सर आप
Sir,
वापस
you froze.
सर आप बहुत
Really?
देर के लिए
Sir, you
freeze-
became else. I mean, you froze.
सर लास्ट हमने जब किया था तब हम लोग अभी भी फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में
Yes,
थे
sir.
आप अभी यहाँ तक पहुंच गए
Yes, sir.
भाई तुम लोग का कैसे लैग हो रहा है?
सर मैं जब अनफ्रीज बोला तभी हुआ.
तवेश तू तो चुप ही बैठ you're not even
Let me check,
हाँ
beta.
दिया
Okay. Let me check. I'll put on my Wi-Fi.
Sir, it's because of rain.
Yeah, some problem, dear. What to do, you know? Am I audible now?
Yeah, so you're audible now, but you keep on hanging like in the middle.
Okay. Now I'm going to put it on some other thing. Wait.
सर जब आप हैंग नहीं हुए थे तब आप फिल इन द ब्लैंक वाले के थर्ड ब्लैंक में थे
अरे बी बोलना।
अच्छा बता
अरे
मेरे
तो
को।
बी के थर्ड ब्लैंक में ना।
किसमें किसमें था? फिल इन द ब्लैंक कौन सा था बोलो?
सर बी का थर्ड ब्लैंक, सर बी का थर्ड ब्लैंक।
एटम एटॉमिक।
दिस।
हाँ सर, इस पे थे आप।
चलो आ जाओ. Okay, mass of an atom determined in direct. So initially, which element we took for reference?
Hydrogen
Hydrogen.
and carbon.
हाइड्रोजन और कार्बन।
Then carbon. Then beta relative atomic mass में one atom. Earlier we compared it to whom? Hydrogen. Then we compared it to 112 the mass of
कार्बन।
carbon. Now I'm audible perfect ekdam.
यस।
I have moved to my phone ka Wi-Fi. Earlier I was using my this Geo Wi-Fi, but I don't know what's wrong. Chalo, maybe because of rain. A maximum number of electron is how much, beta? What is the formula? 2n square. So first orbit, how much it is? 2. What I'll put here? K, L. L is 2 square. So how much I'll get? 8. M shell is third shell. So 2 into 3 square. So how much I get? 18. Are you getting it? Hello?
यस सर।
So if it
यस
is
सर।
13,
हाँ
then
यस
it
सर,
is
यस सर।
2, 8, 3. Hey, mass is 40, proton is 18. So electronic configuration is equal to what? Number of proton, na beta? So it is 18. So 18, it will be how much beta? 288.
सर टू।
Clear? Let us go to the next. Isotopes they are given. Ten, ten, and we have to write. I told you, beta, this will come. 1, 1. A atomic number is one mass. So 1 proton, 1 electron. No neutron. Ille. Here it will be 1 proton, 1 electron. And how many neutron?
1 न्यूट्रॉन।
Yeah, here it will be 1 proton, 2 neutron, and 1 electron. In each all electron, it is 1, 1, 1 only. 1, 1, 1 only. Clear? Hello.
यस सर।
These are isotopes.
Yes, sir.
Then, beta, this is the electronic configuration. They have told, beta, lithium, blah, 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 blah. Then what you have to do? Protons and neutrons and the electrons. Draw an atom in each case. Okay, so this one example they are given. What is missing here? Tell me, beta.
सर
First shell,
इलेक्ट्रॉन
2
नहीं है
electrons are missing, na, beta. Now they have given, beta, both. This is 5 and this is 11. 5 and 11, it is who, beta? Boron. 5 and 11. So I will draw this circle. How many proton? 5 proton. How many neutron? 11 minus 5. So 6. And first shell, how many electrons I have to make? I have 2 comma 3, na beta? 5 electron means so first shell 2 electron. Third shell 1, 2 and 3. Ichi? Hello. Gaseous non-metal. Electronic configuration 2 comma 6. That means it is oxygen. 8, 2 comma 6, right? Mass number is also 8. So what I'll do beta? First center mein what I'll make? 8 proton, 8 neutron. First shell how many electron? 2. Second shell how many electron? Come on, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A mass number is how much? 23. 8 electron and it is a valency plus 1. 8 electrons in which shell? L shell. L shell. But a mass number 23 किसका होता था बेटा? Remember बेटा? Sodium. So what I have to draw? Sodium. So we have to, sodium का valence is plus 1 or not? So sodium it is how much beta? 11 and 23. Remember? So first I'll make this. How many proton? 11 proton. And 23 minus, so 12 neutron. First shell how many electron? 2. Second shell is L. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then last shell how many electron? Last shell how many electron? Come on, tell me. You want me to? 10, 10, and last shell. अरे अरे चलो I'll make it. This is my first shell. This is my first. अरे ये क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है? हाँ, ये शिफ्ट क्यों नहीं होता? सेलेक्ट क्यों नहीं हो पा रहा है? Okay, I'll just undo.
Sir, hello.
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं
सर वापस हैंग हो गया क्या?
क्या अभी तो मेरा बरोबर चल रहा है ना? अभी क्या है? अभी क्या
हाँ
नाटक?
सर, अब 1 मिनट के लिए आपका स्क्रीन ब्लैक चलेगा था। ठीक है, मे बी मेरा प्रॉब्लम है।
अरे यार, ये क्यों नहीं ऐसा हो रहा है यार? समथिंग इज रॉन्ग बेटा.
हेलो सर
Hello, how are? Oh, it's not working.
सर मेरी बहन बोल रही थी कि ये आफ्टर 11th ये सारा कॉन्फ़िगरेशन गलत हो जाएगा।
हाँ, गलत हो जाएगा. उसको बोलो SPDF होता है सब. ठीक है ना?
हाँ सर।
हाँ, वेरी गुड बेटा. आई नो. तो उसको मैंने तेरी बहन को वो वीडियो नहीं भेजा था 11th का? मैं उसको एक वीडियो भेजता क्वांटम नंबर्स का. इट विल बी वेरी यूजफुल फॉर हर.
सर ये मेरी मतलब आपके यहाँ आप नहीं जानती ना।
हाँ, आई नो अद्विका. आई नो रे बाबा. ठीक है. चलो बेटा, ये दिस ऑर्बिट है. देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम इन दिस बेटा. सो आई जस्ट मैं भेजता हूँ एक. I teach for 11th and 12th also, na beta. For JEE, medical and NEET. I've sent. So, anyways, hey, tell me, beta. Here, how many protons? 11 protons, 12
सर
neutrons.
11, सर 11।
Yeah, very good. Here it will be L shell में 8 electron. 1, 2, 3,
1.
5, 6, 7, 8. And then beta
सर
in
8,
last shell, how many will
1.
be there? 1.
1.
1।
Okay. There's some error with my this thing. I don't know. So now, beta, a noble gas. Can you see here? Mass number is 40. Mass number is,
Right.
and in M shell,
Argon.
M shell 8 electrons. So it is what? Argon.
Argon.
Remember, beta, mass. So first, what I'll draw here. How many protons? 18 protons. How many neutrons? 40 minus 18, 22 neutrons. First shell, KL, and then this is your M. How many electrons are there in first shell? 2. Here, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then, beta, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? Right, beta? So, you will be able to do this. This is 2882. 2882 means what it is, beta? Calcium. So, here, look, I'll just show you, beta. Calcium, what changes you will do? At the center, beta, it is how much, beta? 2882. So, it is how much? 20 proton. 20 neutron. Why? Because mass number was 20, na, beta? Are you getting it or not? Calcium, this is 20, this is 40. 40 minus 20 is 20 neutron. First orbit, how many electron? 2. Second orbit, 8. Third orbit, 8. Fourth orbit, 2. Are you getting it? Look at 2, 8, 8, 2. Will you be able to do it? Come on, tell me. Here it will be how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also 1, 2. No, here are there only 2, na beta, so we'll make 2. 1,
Done, sir.
2. Got it? Hello.
Yes
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then beta, this
Yeah.
electronic, this is very chindi man. This is electronic configuration. They are told hydrogen atomic number is 1, mass number. So 1 proton, 1 electron and 0 neutron. K shell में
सर
हमें
आपने हमको सिर्फ पहले 3 पेज करने के लिए बोला था। ये हमको बोला ही नहीं था।
ये भाई
सर ने बोला था कि पूरा कर
पूरा करने का
नहीं, आपने
मैसेज.
आपने 3 पेज बोला था।
हाँ, तो कोई बात नहीं, तो अभी करो ना मेरे साथ.
ओके सर।
डू इट विद मी मैन. Hydrogen atomic number is 1, proton is 1, neutron is 0 in first shell. How many? 1. What is the valency? Hydrogen plus 1, minus 1, both it can be. Helium atomic number is 2. So proton will be 2, electron will be 2. Neutron will be 4 minus 2. So it will be 2. Right na beta? And electronic configuration is also 2 na? Lithium. They have given neutron and mass number. So you do beta. How to find beta with this? With the help of this beta, what you'll do? A minus Z. When you get this na beta. 4 neutron you are getting. So atomic number will be how much? 7 minus 4. It will be how much beta? 3, right? 3 proton, 3 electron. Electronic configuration will be 2, 1. Valency will be +1. Carbon atomic number is 6. Proton is 6. Electron is 6. Neutron is 12 minus 6. 6.
Sorry, scribbling.
Electronic configuration is 2, 4. Valence is -4. Fluorine it is what beta? Mass number is how much beta? If it is odd number, what do you have to do? 2n. So it will be how much beta? 18. Then proton is how much? 9. 9. Right? Neutron is how much beta? एक मिनट बेटा, what odd number ना it is?
सर लैग हो रहे हो आप, बहुत लैग हो रहे हो।
19. This will be how much बेटा? क्या लैग हो रहा है बेटा? इतना तो है। 2,7.
voice.
Valence is
सर
-1.
आपका आवाज एकदम एक एक।
अच्छा, but can you see the screen? Hello.
हाँ सर, स्क्रीन
sir.
दिख रहा
Sir,
है,
now
screen
it's-
दिख रहा है, बट कभी कभी वो
हाँ।
जल्दी निकल जा रहा।
Okay,
हाँ, because
not a
of
problem
rain.
बेटा।
Sometimes it's slow and sometimes it's fast.
Magnesium atomic number is 12. Mass number is 24. So 12 proton, 12 neutron, 12. 2, 8, 2. Valence is +2. Sulfur atomic number is 16. Proton is 16. Electron is 16. This is also beta 16. बेटा न्यूट्रॉन के लिए मैंने क्या ट्रिक दिया था बेटा? इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड ना बेटा, तो मास नंबर वाला ट्रिक करने का। ऑड नंबर रहेगा तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? 2n + 1. इवन होगा तो यू हैव टू डू 2n, राइट ना? 2, 8, 6. क्लियर? शैल आई गो अहेड?
यस सर।
हेलो, शैल आई गो अहेड?
Sir.
ओ गॉड, एक ना बेटा। चलो, chlorine atomic number is 17, mass number is 35, 17 proton, 17 electron, 18 neutron, 2, 8, 7, valence is -1. Argon atomic number is 18, mass number is 40, 18, 18, 2, 8, 8, valence is 0. Calcium is 20, 40, 20, 20, 20, 2, 8, 8, 8, +2. 2 ना बेटा? Is this clear? Hello? Shall I go ahead? Hello?
Yes, sir.
सर वेट,
अरे, sorry. Technologia.
आंसर।
Done. Hey,
Sir, I couldn't hear what you just said.
what?
I couldn't hear what you just said.
I just said technology.
technology. Oh,
Noble gas. Who is the noble gas? Come on. Tell me.
Shania, you did that to film it, right?
Because that I erased and that I again got it back now. So that was
Oh.
technology. Tell me.
I wish I don't have my phone during online class.
Yeah, very good, beta.
And
Electronic.
8 to 8.
Which one it is? Out of
The
this
first-
EBC? A.
फर्स्ट वन।
Non-metal has 7 electron in its valence shell. 7 will be there. So in its outermost shell, beta, it is 7. So it will gain electron or lose?
So gain.
Gain 1 electron. So it will develop which charge? Negative.
-1.
-1. C is a metalloid having atomic number 5. So atomic number 5 is 2, 3. So what will be its valency? If any element has 3 or less than 3,
No, +3.
lose. Very good. So
Plus-
+3. D is 2881. So will it be metal or non-metal or metalloid?
So
Anyone
metal.
which has one electron or two, that it is what beta? Metal. Right? Hey Meher, beta, this Thapa, are you there? Thapa. Pranaya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Valence is the number of hydrogen atom which can combine with or displace one atom of an element or a radical forming a bolo,
Molecule.
molecule. If four atoms of hydrogen combine with one atom of carbon forming a compound methane CH4, then the valency of carbon is, come on, 4. Valency is also the number of electrons donated, accepted, so as to achieve the electronic configuration of the nearest
Noble gas.
noble gas. Noble gas. Okay. Okay, now you have to tell me, beta, Na, when it loses electron, what charge it will form? Na,
1 plus.
electronic configuration will be 2,8. Who is the nearest noble gas?
Neon.
Neon, 2,8. Magnesium will lose how many electron? Come on. Right? With 2. So it will form AMG 2 plus. ये दो इलेक्ट्रॉन गायब हो गया तो it will become 2,8. Who is the nearest noble gas again? Neon, 2,8. ये how many electron it lost? 2. So what is the valency? Plus 2. How many electron it will lose, beta? 2.
2.
So what it will form? Calcium 2 plus. 2,8,8. Who is the nearest noble gas? Argon, 2,8,8. It has lost 2 electrons. So what is the valency?
+2.
Plus 2. Done, done.
Yes, yes.
Done, done. Shania, have you done this? Akshaj, Rhythm, Maisa, Kabir, Tavish, Ayansh,
Yes, sir,
Aryansh,
done, sir.
Aradhya,
Yes.
Samir,
Yes,
Shanshay.
sir.
Okay.
No, sir, 1 second, 1 second.
Oh my God. Again, I have to do technology. I have to rearrange it.
Technology.
Yeah. Like this. Technology.
Sir, done.
Done. Now we have to go for the next one. Sure. Two, 8, 7. Come on, tell me what it will do. It is gaining. So which ion it will form?
Negative.
Cl
minus.
So it will become what?
So 1 second, can you
minus.
show that? I think I missed one.
What you missed, man? Now it is gone, baby. It's gone with the air.
So please once.
So which is the nearest noble gas? Argon.
I got
Phosphorus. What it will gain? It will gain how many electron? Come on, tell me.
+1.
Plus?
Sorry, wait, sorry.
3.
To become octet. Octet, it will gain
3.
3, na?
3.
So 3 electrons. So it will become
3
P3
minus.
minus. 288. Argon. 288. Minus 3. Right?
Yes.
Nitrogen will gain how many electron?
3.
3.
And 3, 2, 8.
2,8.
3.
It will become like neon. Minus 3.
Done, sir.
Done.
Yes.
What that Shania, have you done this?
Yeah,
Let me
1
see.
second.
I missed out one.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, no, sir.
What, man? Do it
Sir, I'm
fast,
slow.
man.
Sir, I'm slow, sir. Sorry, sir.
Come on, boy.
Sir, हो गया sir. Sir, done.
Oh, very good, bro. Very good, beta. Acha, which of the following has stable electronic configuration that you have to decide? 2,8,8, it is stable or unstable? Tell me.
Stable.
A, stable. B. Only 2. Bolo, only 2 is helium, na? It is stable. 281,
Not unstable.
unstable. AX has lost 2 electrons, so it will become stable, na?
Yes,
This
sir.
was nitrogen, it has gained 3 electrons, so again it will become 2,8, na beta? Look, they have told nitrogen, so again it is stable. Clear?
Oh.
Now we go to the formation of compound. Oh, look, this is 281. So who is the nearest noble gas?
So what was the last one?
Nothing, no? It should
F,
be on two.
F. You didn't say F.
Stable, stable, unstable, stable, stable.
Not gain, lose, or share electron.
Last one is what Z does. This also here does not gain, lose, or share electron. Again, it will be what? Stable.
Stable.
The one who does not gain, lose, again, it will be what? Stable only.
Sorry, you Atko fired.
No, he did.
Oh yeah, you did. Sorry.
This is nearest noble gas, neon. So it is 2,8. This is 287. So who is the nearest noble gas? Argon. So what it will do, beta? X atom will
Yes.
lose. Here it will gain. Here it will lose how many electron? 1. This
One.
fellow will gain
One.
1. This compound X and Y is formed by transfer of electron. Right na beta? This fellow will give 1 to this fellow na beta? Sodium chloride it is.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Hi, sir.
Yeah. Now beta, okay. This is 2,5. Who's the nearest noble gas? Neon. 2,8. So it needs how many electron to become like this? 3. This also, so how many electron it needs?
3.
So this bond will form due to what? Sharing. Sharing.
Share.
Clear? Okay. Done, beta? All of you?
Yes.
Chalo, beta. Now, beta, what I want all of you to do, beta, I have told you to do this worksheet also, but those who have not done, beta, they will do this entire worksheet. Which one? The other one. Can you see this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in this, all this table.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this you will try to do, beta. Okay? Right? This entire, this definition you can write here. If you don't write, I'll send the answer key also, beta. Don't worry. But I want you to do this, I said this diagram based question, especially, most of the thing you can do in this worksheet only, beta. And MCQ and all. Okay, so that's all for today. Chalo then. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank
Tata.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Everyone
Bye.
join me in Grower Garden.
Yeah,
See.
bye.
No,
Never.
Yeah,
you're
we'll
gonna
go.
die broke in that game.
Yeah, we'll go, bro, once, chalo, bye-bye.